Alright, this is version, well, it's the updated version of the pump controller. This could also control a fan. It's got an external thermostat. This is called a W1209 board. This is a voltage regulator board where you can set the voltage cutout, like if you're protecting your battery. And then this is a pulse wave modulated speed controller with a dial on the front, potentiometer, and a forward reverse switch. As a pump, we only use it in forward mode, and we can only bring it down to about there. I discussed that in the other short. The important thing I did here is I got rid of the other temperature control board, which was to monitor the internals. This is never going to overheat. I've also added a fuse for the control circuit. This is not the fuse for the pump load. That's handled externally. Let's see what else. The green wire signifies regulated to 12 volts, and the calculations on this are a 25 ohm quarter watt resistor and a 12 volt 5 watt Zener diode. That's what's hanging across here, and this resistor and the diode together make sure that this only ever gets fed 12 volts. And that has to be calculated with the input voltage. So as I said before in the prior video, this gets fed with almost exactly 13.8 volts. It may fluctuate slightly in the downward direction under load momentarily, but pretty much it gets a solid 13.8 volts. So that is necessary to do this calculation. So this only works with a 13.8 volt feed, not a 15, not a 16. So that's important. But you can put this together with off-the-shelf components. You've got a Bosch style relay. You've got I think these are rated at 120 watt speed controller. You've got you've got the voltage cutout board, and you have the W1209 temperature controller board. And all this mess of wiring that you see is just to interconnect things, and it's pretty self-explanatory if you were to sit here with me and I pointed out each individual item and where they go and stuff to develop some understanding. So it's in a outdoor box from Walmart. So